Hello, so this is the new Peeps glasses cleaner, and it really is a nice looking gadget to help you clean your glasses. Basically, you have a brush that slides up out the top, and then you want to brush your lenses off. So make sure you get any debris that might scratch your lenses or mess up your lenses in some kind of way. And so you want to do the back side also. All right, so I think I brushed that good enough. Then you can slide the brush back down, and then you pull out, you grab it by these two sides, and you just pull it out. Voila. And this is how you use it to clean your glasses. You're gonna put your glasses in the middle, put a little bit of pressure, and then just clean the lens. You can go in a circular motion, you can go side to side. Either way, it really does clean your glasses. I mean, like you've never seen them before. No more smears. Look at that, super clean. Now let's try this one. Same thing. You don't want to squeeze too hard. You want to just kind of put just a little tiny bit of pressure to get the smudges off your lens. All right, and that does it. Clean glasses, ready to roll. Nice and clean. All right. Oh my goodness, I can see so much better. And when you finish, you just gently, slide it right back in. And that refreshes those cleaning pads. Alrighty. So if you like these glass cleaners, they're by Peeps. Look them up online. They're not that expensive. I believe it was $19.99. So check it out. All right, peace.